This is Caesar 1.7.5. The Helvetians have just requested that they be allowed to cross Provence. And Caesar's going to try to buy time here. Nevertheless, and now we've got a purpose clause. It goes from there to there. So this is purpose. And here we've got imperfect subjunctive in the purpose clause. And also, here's a present active infinitive. This is a complementary infinitive. Complementary infinitive there. In order that time could pass. See, he's trying to buy time here. And then this, until. All right. So this is just called an until clause, basically. This puppy goes from here to here. And again, another imperfect subjunctive here. Characteristic, you can see the infinitive and then an ending, just like here. Infinitive and an ending. While the soldiers could come together. And now inside the purpose clause, we've got a relative clause. And you can see imperaborat. This is just pluperfect active indicative, not subjunctive. And quos is the dio, the direct object, of imperaborat. He ordered them, the soldiers. This is a great example of how the relative pronoun agrees with its antecedent in number and gender, but its case determined by its function in its own clause. So masculine, masculine, plural, plural. Okay? But milites is nominative, and quos is accusative, because it's the direct object in its own clause. He answered to the representatives, that's a dative there, that, so this is a verb of saying, thinking, writing, responding. So we've got that. We use that conjunction so that we can translate this properly, and this is indirect statement here. Indirect statement. He responded that he, meaning Caesar, the subject responded, answered that he would, accept a date for deliberating. Look at this. A gerund. A verbal noun. All right? Not a gerundive. Gerundive is an adjective. This is just the verbal noun, the idea of the verb. He would accept a day for deliberating. And then this goes on. It's like it's part of the quote. If they wanted anything, they should return on the Ides of April. The Ides of April. When's the Ides? Well, it's usually the 15th. And usually, about the middle of the month. And look at this. There it is again. Imperfect subjunctive again. So all these subordinate clauses are using the imperfect subjunctive as their tense and mood. And this quid, after si, nisi, num, and ne, after those four conjunctions, aliquis drops the ali, zoink. Aliquis goes to quis. So this quid is like aliquid, which means something, if they wanted something. So you can see inside of all this what Caesar actually said. So if I were going to imitate Caesar at the time, I will accept a day for deliberation. If the Helvetians want something, they should return on the Ides of April. That's what he actually said, and then it's put in indirect statement there.